Hello, my name is Harry Janssen. I'm a hepatologist and professor of medicine from the Erasmus University in Rotterdam, the Netherlands. And also on behalf of Adam Gehring, who is an immunologist and a senior scientist at the University of Toronto, I'm delighted to invite you to the 11th International Workshop on HBV Cure. The meeting will be held adjacent to the AASLD meeting on the 13th of November this year, 2024. We have an outstanding faculty from around the globe, speakers from industry as well as from academia. We'll have talk on the latest clinical trials, on translational work, and also on hepatitis delta.
We have another exciting program for the workshop this year. We're now able to discuss the durability of surface antigen loss rather than whether we can get there. We'll be looking at how intrahepatic sampling has given us insights into both direct-acting antivirals and immunological drug mechanisms of action, and in-depth talks on antibody therapy as well as gene editing, and of course our comprehensive review of novel drugs in development. We look forward to seeing you in San Diego. Your contributions to discussion make the workshop. See you in November.